So we have got some paneling for our bus. Marcel's just taking out that one piece of wood because it was making the curve stick out too much. Do you think it's better to do 2 screws or 1?
In the wood?
Yeah.
I think in the wood too.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah, like that.
Yeah. Okay.
We try and get it straight. Buongiorno, campeggiatore. That's a pretty bad accent, I know, but I'm trying, right? We started on the paneling of the walls, which has been a really good thing to see some progress now. Done all the back work, all the installation's done. In the end, we bought some of these panels, which are quite nice actually. They're very rough, which suits our purpose. And it's a nice light color, it's whitish. And yeah, it went on quite easily. We did have a bit of trouble cutting out all the windows and all of that stuff, but that's par for the course. Down here, there's a big piece that juts out, so we've had to make a bit of a plan here. We need a little strip over there. A little cover piece still needs to be finished off, which is details of course. But this came out of the old interior. I kept it. It fits the window perfectly. I thought, why not just, you know, something old, something new, and all of that stuff. But if you can see that, you can see how much space we've won just by changing the panels to follow the curve of the bus.
Wow.
Originally, as you saw, what we took out is the original panels were straight down from the bottom to the top. So now I'm going to have to adjust this a bit, chop it off, push it in a bit more. That's fantastic, it's nice to see. So it's very simple. Basically I put this frame up to the window, marked off where the outside of the paneling is now, measured that distance, transferred it to there, and now we've got the inside distance, so here's our cut line. Okay. And just to check it, obviously you just take a tape measure and measure the depth of the wall, which at this point is not that much. And of course we're using our chop saw for everything, which is not the way to do it. I know all your carpenters out there are rolling your eyes, but it's the only thing we have on battery power, and I forgot the jigsaw back at home, so this is going to be it.
The bus is taking shape. This is so exciting. Let's see again. Wow, it's like magic. And so we have a window finish. Ooh. What colour do we paint it is a big question.
Purple.
Purple? That's a bit mean because purple is one of my favourite colours.
So side paneling is coming on. Meanwhile the important stuff's carrying on over here.
Yes, because we've chosen our colour. We are so excited about it. Still a secret as now. But obviously the biggest thing with painting is the prep work. That's everything. Oh, the window is massive. It's unbelievable. We just didn't see any of that with the bed up here and then the curtains, and this is huge! Wow. It's quite a lot of work getting all the green stuff going, but hey, very exciting! So, are we ready for the big reveal? Check this out. Why have we chosen this colour? Because this is the colour of the Adriatic Sea from our sailing holiday, and it's a colour that we both just loved. And yeah, so that's going to be the colour of our beach bus. What do you think? I adore it. Wow. It's brighter than I thought. It's perfect. What do you think? Do you like it? Got a thumbs up from the dude. Yay. My word, this is amazing.
Well, don't you love it when this all just fits exactly.
Yeah?
No cutting, Boom.
Awesome.
Love that kind of stuff, man. You can say it's skill, but it's pure luck actually, so I'm not going to take credit for that one.
In the bus. That's so cute.
What do you reckon to the colour?
Wow. I think it's amazing. It's exactly what I wanted. I think it is a bit darker than when we first opened it. That was quite a shock. But this is exactly the colour that I was hoping for. Yay! Awesome. Pretty cool, huh? An amazing colour. And as usual, there's more paint on me than on the bus. I just love doing this, it's such fun.
You're better than me. I'll stick to the carpentry side. We've got this side of the bus in at least, which is nice, right up to the shower. Got all the cabling done as well. Just finishing up the back section here, which will be nice, and this is done. And then it's the big one, which is the ceiling, and it's going to be quite interesting for us, so stick around and see if we make it or not. Maybe we'll make it into a cabrio.
Yeah, that'd be nice in weather like this.
Well, check it out, what a couple of hours can do on a rainy Sunday. So, getting the back panel down now, which is quite cool. That's where the bed's going to be, obviously. We just like to panel everything. Get everything covered, give it a nice layer so everything's got the same kind of insulation value, if you can put it that way. The corners obviously need a bit of touching up, but here at least this panel has been done now. Got our light switch here, which is for a light here. Another light switch, there's going to be a plug point there. Yeah, the other lights. Vic's doing the important stuff.
It's all important. Wow, man.
That's mine.
Well done.
Well guys, I'm just letting you know how I'm doing it at the moment. You tell me if I'm wrong, but basically it's very simple. Bought these switches and these plug points, which basically sit on the top of the wood. To wire them up, it's basically very simple. You just open the whole thing up. Everything is already there, the red, the yellow and the blue, which connects the two together. All you need to wire is one into one point. And they've already done that for you. The little push lever here, you just pull the wire out. So there's no little fiddly screws and all of that stuff, which is quite cool. So basically electrics is not that intimidating. It's quite easy. So let's just push this in here. And then these go in here. Brown to red, blue to blue, and obviously an earth. Better hurry up because we're losing our light now. Because we're coming in the bottom, I had to drill a little hole in the outer casing. But yeah, it is what it is. Clip. And that can sit on there. Look at that. That's pretty good, huh? Put a second one in there. Put the little caps on. Look at that. It's pretty convincing, really.
Wow, cool.
So guys, result, man. Check it out. We've done quite a bit of damage today. The front of the bus is changing color as we speak, which is really cool. Got the paneling done on this side. Obviously the finishing needs to be done. We've got our first plug point, working on the light switches now.
Wow.
And the back, we've done the paneling which is behind the bed really. Just got those little vertical planks to do, but we couldn't really do much because Vic's just painted that. So at the moment you're going to leave it as it is. No cleaning today, so it is just going to leave it, otherwise there's too much dust.
And then the painter gets very upset. Can't do that.
And yeah, now he's going to watch paint dry.